Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be starting our project on this 2023 Dodge Challenger. It's a last call. You know they don't make these in 2024 and beyond, so we got this really cool purple color. Let me know in the comments if you think what you think about this color compared to the other colors we've done. And what we're going to do is we're going to be putting PPF on the front clip, the mirrors, and then the rear fender flares. And then we're going to be ceramic coating the rest of it, and we're going to get started right after our prep process. All right, what I'm doing is pre-treating the car before we wash it. And I got a multi-purpose cleaner here. It's gonna loosen up dirt. And then after I'm done washing, we are gonna take these hood scoops out because you can't, it's beneficial to put the PPF in when we're PPFing the hood, but we'll have to trim it back to the very edge of these scoops because these scoops will vibrate and push up the film. And then we'll also be making a template to remove and replace the badges on the side, the fenders. They're inconsistently placed. We're never going to print around those if we can avoid it. So we don't want that extra seam around the badge, so we're going to remove and replace those. But I'll probably do that tomorrow. We're getting started a little bit later today. What we're using here is our auto fiber clay towel. These are one of our go-tos if it doesn't need a lot of clay bar action. If it's really heavily contaminated, which isn't usually the case too much on the new cars, then we'll use like a full-on clay bar that's more aggressive. But this is a great, easy-to-use product. And we want a clay bar to get all of the or as much as the contamination out of the paint, stuff that's embedded itself into the paint. We don't want that because the film will pick it up and it'll get stuck to the back of the film and it'll look like debris. We don't want that. We don't want debris. So we're gonna clay bar this. And after that, we'll do some iron and fallout remover. And we do all iron and fallout remover similar, but we do both because iron and fallout remover will loosen up iron, and fallout clay bar will get some stuff that isn't necessarily iron and fallout. Okay, so you see me cleaning out this hole. You saw the overlay, or you should see an overlay showing how dirty these areas are. Even though I pressure washed that, there's still a bunch of dirt underneath. So we want to get that out, and that's the main reason we want to remove these badges. So that'll just come out into the install, and we don't want that much debris in our install.